In this video, we're diving into one of the most effective 15-minute scalping trading strategies applicable across various markets like Forex, crypto, gold, and more. While this strategy can also be used on the 5-minute or 1-minute time frames, our testing has shown that it's particularly potent on the 15-minute interval. Combining pullback methods with price action techniques, this strategy offers a robust approach to scalping. Using just 2 indicators, we'll guide you through the process step by step, so stick around till the end and show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. To get started, head over to TradingView and search for Market Bias by Professor X in the Indicator Search tab. Adjust the smoothing value to 50 and uncheck the box next to Show HA Candles in the settings. This indicator acts as a reliable trend guide. When the line is green, it indicates a bullish trend, prompting you to focus on buy orders. Conversely, when it's red, it suggests a bearish trend, signaling sell orders. Additionally, the market bias indicator helps identify corrections in the market. A change from bright green to dark green signifies a correction in a bullish trend, while the shift from bright red to dark red indicates a correction during a bearish trend. While you can utilize these signals independently, in this video, we'll solely use market bias as a trend guide and entry point. Next, add the RSI Holer strategy by Potter from the Indicator Search tab. Leave it at the default settings. This indicator offers straightforward signals. A green candlestick indicates a bullish trend, while a red one signifies a bearish trend. Now, let's put both indicators to use. To place a buy order, ensure the market bias indicator is green, indicating a bullish trend. Wait for a correction against the market bias line and then look for a buy signal from the RSI Holer indicator, indicated by a change from red to green in the candlestick. Once all conditions align, place your buy order. For a sell order, follow a similar process but in the opposite direction. Ensure the market bias indicator is red, indicating a bearish trend. Wait for a correction against the market bias line and then look for a sell signal from the RSI Holer indicator, indicated by a change from green to red in the candlestick. Place your sell order once all conditions align. Remember to maintain proper money management and trading psychology throughout. And with that, we wrap up this video. See you in the next one.